National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Monroe County in central Georgia, southern Butts County in central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over High Falls State Park, or 9 miles southwest of Jackson, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barnesville, Jackson, Forsyth, Flavilla, Milner, Jenkinsburg, Aldora, Goggins, Berner, McKibben, Brent, Chapel Mill, High Falls State Park, Redbone, Blount, Liberty Hill, Collier, Johnstonville, and Indian Springs State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.